Hey guys, welcome back to a new unboxing, and today I'm going to be unboxing Death Stranding 2 on the beach. So here's a look at the front of the box. Here is the spine, and here's the back of the case. So here's a look at the case without the cellophane on it. Here's the spine, and here's the back. Okay, so take a look inside. We do have our game disc that is on one disc. I thought it was going to be a 2-disc game. Here we got our pre-order bonus. So that's pretty neat. And right here we got Lou in her little carrying seat. Couldn't think of the name of it for a second. And that's probably not even the proper name for the thing. So that was Death Stranding 2 on the beach unboxing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.